Hey everyone, Cameron Scadaboo. I just want to say happy 30th anniversary to my friends over at LiftedTrucks.com.
Look at Scadaboo go!
We want to congratulate your guys on your 30th anniversary for Lifted Trucks. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. It's been a really great partnership, and this truck is not only admired by people that drive it, but people that look at it. Thank you, guys.
Happy 30th anniversary, Lifted Trucks!
I want to say happy 30th anniversary from the one and only King Triple C, Lifted Trucks. I appreciate you guys. Happy anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary, Lifted Trucks!
Destry here. I wanted to wish Lifted Trucks a happy 30th anniversary.
What's up, guys? Taylor Robert here. Just wanted to wish Lifted Trucks a happy 30-year anniversary.